Hi, I'm Mary Kay Chilton with Alys Beach Properties, and today we're here at 13 Garza Court. This home is located south of 30A and only moments away from Turtle Bale Spring beach access. We have 3 spacious bedrooms, a bunk area, and a media room. But the real showpiece of this home is up on the rooftop terrace, where we have an infinity edge pool, Gulf views, and a beautiful summer kitchen. Let's take a look. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 13 Garza Court. Please reach out directly and we'll schedule a private showing. Thank you.